You know what's crazy? You can dream all day about what you want to do in life, but if you don't wake up and go for it, you can be dreaming forever. My name is Joseph. This is Kitchen with Cumbers. I never imagined I would work with food full time, but after winning Crazy Delicious, I felt like the world was my oyster. Being on Netflix, interviews, cameras in my face, really took me out of my comfort zone, and having times to myself really became few and far between. Even after the recognition, it's so important to me to remain humble and embrace not only who I am, but where I come from and what I love to do, bringing people together with food. From an early age, growing up in a Caribbean household, the gift of good food from my family is something I always wanted to pass on to the next generation through inspiring them to cook. This is my legacy, to continue to grow and glow. And if you ever remember anything about me, is everyone who sits on my table eats, and they eat well.